drawing. Let's trace the main forms of the dress. Grab your dark marker and let's draw together. Look how big and majestic it looks. You are doing a wonderful job. Let's create a beautiful pattern. We are drawing long, curved, horizontal lines across the skirt to make stripes. Can you follow the pattern with your eyes? Line by line, we are building a classic and stylish design.
It's like a fun game for your eyes. I love drawing my dresses.
Coloring. Brick. Now, let's use a very special color, brick red. It is a warm, earthy brown-red color that matches perfectly with the dark blue. Look at the sequence. Blue, brick, brick. Learning patterns is so much fun. Let's finish coloring the top of the dress with our beautiful brick color. Make sure to fill all the white spaces carefully. Our drawing looks neat, professional, and absolutely stunning.
I love coloring dresses. And you? Don't worry if your line isn't perfectly straight. Every dress is unique. And that is what makes fashion so special. Your drawing has its own magic style.
Navy blue. Time to color with our magic pens. Let's fill the first stripe with a deep, elegant navy blue. Navy blue is dark.com and looks like the beautiful night sky. Let's paint every second stripe with this gorgeous blue.
Wow, you color so beautifully. This dark color is navy blue. It is so elegant and deep, just like the midnight sky. And the warm color is brick red. It is earthy, cozy, and matches perfectly with blue. Colors can tell a beautiful story when we mix them together, don't you think? Brick red and navy blue are so modern together. It looks like a dress for a big royal party. What do you think? Would you wear a dress with these colors? The drawing is looking absolutely gorgeous, but the magic is don't yet. Are you ready to see this paper dress turn into real fabric? Hold your breath. The big surprise is coming next. Now, it's time for the ultimate fashion transformation. Let's count to 3 for the reality check.
Wow, 1, 2, 3. Transformation. Look at Barbie. She is wearing the exact same brick and navy blue striped dress in real life. The fabric is so soft and the skirt is so big and beautiful. Our design came true.
Look at Minna. The drawing became a real dress. The stripes are so soft and the colors are so bright. We made a real fashion masterpiece together today. Thank you for being such an amazing designer. My goodness, I am completely in love with this dress. Look, how elegant the navy blue and brick stripes look together. It fits me perfectly. You are the best fashion designer in the whole world. Wow! This is officially my new favorite dress. The skirt is so big and the colors are so modern and chic. I feel like a real runway model. Thank you for creating this masterpiece for me. Spinning around in this dress is so much fun. Every single stripe looks perfect. You colored it so beautifully on paper, and now it looks even better in reality. I am so happy. I am definitely going to wear this beautiful dress to a special royal party tonight. Thank you for sharing your amazing talent. With me today, you make the world more colorful. I never want to take this dress off. We make a great fashion team. You and I can't wait to see what beautiful outfit we are going to design next time. You know what, girls? Real beauty is all about creativity, and you have so much of it. I love spending this fashion time with you. We are not just making a dress. We are creating magic, together like real best friends. Oh, you girls have the best fashion taste. Look how stylish this combination turned out. Navy blue and brick red is a secret. Trend for true princesses. Every girl who watches us today is going to want a dress just like this one. I feel so pretty and confident in this new dress. My beautiful designers. Now, I want to know, what style should we create next? A sparkling ball gown or a colorful mermaid look? Stay with me to find out in our next class.
Did you love seeing our drawing become reality today? Tell your parents to subscribe to Princess Design Academy for more daily fashion magic. See you in our next art class. Bye-bye.